Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix the error code 403 in Roblox. So firstly what you're going to do is just simply close the application from taskbar. So for doing that, just simply right click on your start icon over here, then go to task manager, then just simply click on Roblox over here, then just simply click end task. So the next step that you're going to do is change your DNS to the Google DNS servers. So in my opinion, the Google DNS servers are more reliable and faster compared to all of them. So now for changing the server, what you're going to do is just simply right click on the network panel over here, then click on network and internet connection, then just simply click on Ethernet over here, then just simply scroll down, and over here you will find DNS server assessment. And if you're using Wi-Fi, you can find the exact thing over there as well. Let me show you. So if you go to Wi-Fi, then just simply click on hardware properties over here, and over here you will also find the option for DNS. If you click on DNS, edit, manual, then IPv4, then you can enter the DNS over here as well. So for me, I will just simply do this on the internet. So just simply go in internet if you're using internet. If you're using LAN, then just simply scroll down. So as you can see, I already have a DNS in here. Now just simply click on edit, then over here just simply choose manual. It will be set on automatic. Just simply choose manual, then in the preferred DNS just simply write 8.8.8.8, and in the alternate DNS simply write 8.8.4.4. Now after writing this, just simply press save over here. As you can see, it is now saved. Now the next thing that you're going to do is just simply delete the meta files for the Roblox. For doing that, just simply close this window, then open the run. So for doing that, just simply press window plus R on your keyboard, or just simply right click on the search icon over here, then just simply click run, then just simply type percentage local app data percentage, then press OK. Then the app data local folder will open. Now over here just simply search for Roblox, which is right over here. So just simply delete this particular folder. So wait for the deletion. So after the folder is deleted, now go to your browser. Just simply open your browser, search for your Roblox website, then go to your Roblox. Then for example, as you can see, I'm already logged in, so just simply log into your ID, then start a game of your liking. So for me, I'll just simply start natural disaster. Just simply click on that. Now just simply click the play icon. Then as you can see, a URL option will appear. Just simply choose that. Then if nothing opens, just simply click download and install Roblox. Then just simply download and save this, and then install the launcher. So after the Roblox is successfully installed, just simply press OK over here. Then simply close this pop-up window. Now just simply again click the play icon, and again it will show you the option. Then click open Roblox, and now it should work. So as you can see, my Roblox is starting and my game started. So as you can see, my game is working completely fine and the issue is nowhere to be found. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.